All right, you're here on time for your appointment. Dr. E, me, your IT doctor, will give you rule number 6 on my diagnosis on how to protect yourself from phone scammers. Rule number 6 deals with understanding the difference between real people who scam and AI chatbots that are programmed to scam you. Your first line of defense is not to trust if you have not met them. So again, do not trust them if you have not met them in the flesh. Second, we do not give information or money by phone or by text. Third, even I have gotten scammed, which is what my degree is based on and what my day job is geared towards. So everybody falls victim to scams. But remember, enjoy learning from my mistakes, don't get down on yourself, and positive self-talk is your new priority. Now let's not keep getting the hookup and pay that copay. Doctors got